2026 Mercedes AMG G63 Inferno takes the already wild G63 and turns everything up another notch. It's aimed at buyers who want the full AMG off-road icon, but with even more presence, power, and exclusivity straight from a tuner-style treatment. From the outside, the G63 Inferno looks brutal and unmistakable. The classic G-Wagon box shape is still there, but it's wrapped in a far more aggressive body kit. A reworked AMG Panamericana grille, enlarged front air intakes, a more sculpted bumper, and additional aero elements give the front end a menacing look. Wider fender flares, exposed bolt-on extensions, and massive 22 or 23-inch forged wheels on low profile. High-performance tires push the stance outwards and make the Inferno look planted and intimidating. A vented hood, side exhaust detailing, roof-mounted LED light bar on some specs, and a more aggressive rear bumper and diffuser finish the look. Optional exposed carbon fiber elements and bright, bespoke paint colors ensure this G-Class stands out even in a crowd of super subs. Inside, the Inferno builds on the already luxurious AMG G63 cabin with even more bespoke touches. The familiar upright dash with its twin widescreen displays remains, but materials and details are dialed up. Expect Napa or semi-aniline leather with bold contrast stitching, diamond quilting, and Inferno logos or badging on the seats and headrests. Alcantara on the steering wheel, roof liner, and pillars, plus carbon fiber or dark brushed metal trim across the dash and doors create a motorsport meets luxury vibe. Front seats are heavily bolstered AMG sports chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage, while the rear seats retain excellent comfort and legroom for passengers who want to be chauffeured in something outrageous. Tech is state-of-the-art. The MBUX infotainment system with twin displays handles navigation, media, vehicle settings, and off-road/AMG performance pages. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, online services, over-the-air updates, and advanced voice control, "Hey Mercedes," are all included. A high-end Burmester surround sound system, often further tuned for this spec, provides serious audio performance. Ambient lighting with a vast palette, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and full smartphone integration keep the cabin properly up to date. Under the hood, the 2026 AMG G63 Inferno uses the familiar 4-liter twin-turbo V8, but with upgraded tuning. Power and torque figures are pushed well beyond the already strong standard G63, easily into the 700-plus HP region, depending on tune, delivering supercar rivaling straight-line performance in a tall, brick-shaped SUV. Enhanced turbocharging, revised mapping, freer-flowing exhaust, and improved cooling help the engine deliver relentless thrust. The AMG SpeedShift automatic gearbox is recalibrated for faster, more aggressive shifts, and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system sends power to all four wheels with a clear rear bias. The exhaust note is even more dramatic than stock, deeper, louder, and crackling on overrun when you switch into the sportier modes. Chassis and suspension upgrades back up the extra power. The Inferno receives firmer, adaptive dampers, revised anti-roll settings, and in many builds, adjustable ride height. The goal is to improve body control and cornering composure without completely sacrificing the G-Class's off-road heritage. Larger, high-performance brakes with drilled discs and multi-piston calipers are fitted to cope with repeated high-speed stops. Drive modes range from comfort and sport to Sport Plus and customizable individual, with off-road and low range still available for those rare owners who actually leave the tarmac. On the road, the G63 Inferno feels like an event. You sit high in a near-vertical glasshouse, but acceleration is ferocious and the V8 soundtrack dominates. Steering is weighty but accurate, and the modified suspension reigns in some of the standard GS body roll, although you're always aware you're in a tall, heavy SUV. At motorway speeds, refinement remains good thanks to sound insulation and the inherent solidity of the G-Class platform. But the whole experience is much more intense than a regular luxury SUV. Safety and driver assistance match the G-Class base vehicle. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. all very welcome when maneuvering something this expensive and imposing in tight city streets or underground garages. Practicality is still strong. The boxy shape means a generous cargo area with a wide side hinged rear door, and the rear seats fold to expand luggage space for travel or everyday use. It'll tow, haul, and handle bad roads if needed. But realistically, most Inferno spec G63s will live as ultra-luxury, high-performance status symbols in urban and suburban environments. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Mercedes AMG G63 Inferno sits well above a standard AMG G63. In many markets, a regular G63 already lives in the $190,000 to $220,000 bracket once realistically optioned. With the Inferno body kit, power upgrades, wheels, interior customization, and possible limited run status, you're realistically looking at totals in the $250,000, $300,000 plus range depending on spec and market, and higher still for one-off builds. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Gravon Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest super SUV and performance luxury coverage. Tell me in the comments, would you daily drive a G63 Inferno in the city or keep it as a weekend toy and attention grabber? Thanks for watching Gravon Cars. Drive safe, stay bold, and keep moving forward.